Okay, so how do you turn on your hot water? Really simple. You have your hot water heater just for your hot water heater. You have an electric option, you might have a gas option. We've got it on electric right now. If we want a gas, we just flip it up to gas and we turn our electric off. This other heater, this tank heater, this is just for your gray and your black water. So if you're camping in freezing temperatures, your holding tanks for your gray water and black water don't freeze under your RV. Also your holding tank, but that's not gonna be enough hot water to actually provide you, a hot shower. That's just to keep it from freezing. This is a little bonus footage here. This is our hot water heater. If you do not have hot water 20 minutes after you turn your heater on and it's in first time out, you may still be winterized. This right here is a bypass valve. It's closed right now, so water can't flow through here. Right now, water is flowing into the hot water heater and back out. So our hot water heater is functioning right now. When you winterize it, you drain all the water out, and then you will turn this valve off and turn this other valve off, if you can see it. You turn these two valves off. So the hot water heater is then empty. Then you run your antifreeze through to keep the lines from freezing. The way to get it all the way through the line is you're gonna open this up, and now, instead of going through your hot water heater, water flows here. So I tell you that to say, if you don't have hot water heater, it's your first time out, you might want to come to your hot water heater and make sure your bypass valves are in the on position. This is in the on position. So if we turn this, that is in the off position. So I'm back on. Make sure water is going in and out in the on position and your bypass valve is closed.